Quick video for all of you looking for card sleeves. If you don't see it on our database or on our app, you can always go to boardgamegeek.com. Jump over there, boardgamegeek.com. You can see I'm already logged in as Sleeve Kings. You can look at games, you can browse stuff, you can find different. Here's the hotness. Here's some games that are up. Like here's SETI. This is a pretty new game. Maybe it's not on our website yet. Maybe we haven't added it to our database. You can see it's got a lot of reviews, good comments, high rankings, so it's pretty cool. You'll see here, sleeve it. See that? So you can go to sleeve it here, and you can see it has default card set, and there's also a promo card. You can update that if you want to add that. It went from 219. Let's delete that. See, update 218 to 219. One of the good things about Sleeve Kings is they're 110 per pack. So 218 or 219 means you get 220 sleeves. So you can just see down here, you can filter this by whatever you want. Let's filter by Sleeve Kings though. And apply. And you can see which sleeves fit what pack. You can see our standard one is SKS 8810. That's our sleeve size. And you can find our penny sleeves, our perfect fit, and we also have premium. So you have different options, but this is the standard ones. The 88s are the most popular. Those are the most easy ones. So you can just go over and get two of those. Or if you want to save yourself some time, just click that retailers button there and jump over there. And it takes you directly to that product on our website. So you can check out right there. So super easy to find any game you want. Some games have more than one size. My website's a little slow today on account of I'm in China. But let's say you have another one like Star Galactica. There's one. Let's go to the find like the 2000. Here's one. Let's find Battlestar Galactica 2008. Look at all the reviews. It's a great game. Those are going to be Fantasy Flight Chimera sized, I believe. But let's look at Sleeve It. Check that one too. You can see it has three different sides. In the default, they have lots of other expansions. If you want everything, you can notice this has 128, 110, and 10. Update that to 272, 379, 33. So if you want all in, and again, you can filter this by Sleeve Kings. If you don't want to look through all the other stuff, you can just apply. You can even leave that as a default. So you'll see you need 3 packs of mini, and then or 5 packs of premium, both of these, or standard Chimera. You have different sizes. Always you can look at the size here, 41 by 63. These are going to fit the best. It says 41 by 63, so 8801. You'll need 3 packs of those. You can buy off Amazon, or better yet, buy them from us. That's what we like. You can also look at these and see we have different sizes for these. The 88s are again the standard, the 99s are the premium. And then you have this big size too, which we also have. So you would need 1 pack of these for 33 of those. You need 4 packs of those, and you need 3 packs of that. So that's how you find sleeves very easily if you need to find a sleeve that you don't have in our database. Of course, we have Battlestar Galactica in our database, but this is a great way to do it. The Sleeve It button is your friend.